Hi, I'm Amelia Delphonse. I'm a board certified behavior analyst with Accessible ABA. This membership gives you access to information, resources, and materials that are not available on our regular website. This information gives you the tools you need to help a child with autism. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or a professional in the field of applied behavior analysis, this information helps get you started on your journey in understanding applied behavior analysis and helping children with autism. All right, I just want to walk you through the membership so that you know exactly what's included when you do decide to sign up. This is just the membership homepage, so you can scroll down and get lots of information about the membership itself. I'm going to walk you through the modules page. This modules page contains a lot of information about each of the specific modules and gives you a way to access all of the content. We also have the ability for you to change the language of all of the content that's on the web pages. It doesn't change the content that's downloadable or in the videos, but you can choose a different language to read all of the written material that's on the web page. So I'm just going to scroll down, and here we have the table of contents. This actually serves a useful purpose. You can actually jump ahead down the page to the specific module that you're looking for. So if you left off and you were working on module 5, you can click on module 5 and come right down to that and get started. So you don't have to scroll through the entire page to get to that section. If I wanted to go back to the contents, I can just click on back to contents, and you can see it brings me right back to the beginning. If I click on member workshop, this is a really fun area. A lot of our modules include really useful downloadable content. So here in the member workshop, if we click on member workshop, you'll be able to see a lot of the downloadable material. So you're able to find it without having to remember which particular module that was associated with. So it's broken down into the different modules, and you can quickly see all of the content so that you don't have to search all of the other lessons to find it. This opened in a new web page, so I just have to click on the tab at the top to go back to the modules page. We also include a glossary of terms. ABA uses a lot of jargon. We work hard to use common everyday language and avoid as much jargon as possible, but just so that you have some understanding of some of the terms that we do use, to make sure you can click on glossary. So this shows you just some of the basic terms. It's all in a drop-down menu. So if you're interested in learning more about some of the terminology that's used. Each of the modules includes a roadmap that shows you specifically what's in that module. So you can see lesson 1 in module 1 is Introduction to ABA. Lesson 2 is Understanding Behavior. Lesson 3 is a Behavior Intervention Plan. And Lesson 4 is Learning the ABCs of ABA. In this box at the top, you can see the information that's available to all membership levels. This includes the 2 articles we have, one taking action for professionals and the other taking action for teachers. A lot of our content is directed towards parents, so we want to make sure that professionals and teachers understand how this information applies to them, or how they can use it to help parents, for example, or how they can apply this to their role. Then you can see down here the lessons for each module. All of the modules have 4 or 5 lessons in it. If you click on the link, it brings you right to that lesson. You can see up here, it shows you in red where you are on the roadmap. So this is the first lesson. It gives you some reading material. It gives you a downloadable resource. And then this is a video that's a PowerPoint presentation. And then down here at the bottom, you can click next to go to the next level. We also have the ability for you to leave a comment. So you can ask a question. If you click the box to notify you, you'll get an email when we respond. So if you have questions or you're not really sure about some of the content, you can go ahead and leave a comment and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. So if I click on this next understanding behavior, it'll bring me to the next lesson here. So you can see that the second lesson in the roadmap is in red. So that shows me I'm making some progress and getting to understand it. All of the lessons are structured in the exact same way. So here I can go backwards to the previous lesson, the introduction to ABA, or I can go ahead to the next lesson. This opened in a new tab, so I just have to click on the tab to go back to the modules page. Up at the top, you can see the information about my account. So I can update my account or I can log out. I also could go see what courses we have available. You could click and visit the blog. You can learn more about our book, or you can contact us. If you have any problems logging in, or if you think that you should be seeing material that you're not, please contact us and we're happy to assist you in getting the information that you need. We also provide a journal, an electronic version of our journal, so that you can follow along with what you're learning and what you're working on. So this information is meant for you to take it and be able to apply it right away. We have all of the modules planned out through the first 12 modules. And so if you're looking at what's coming up, you can see we release a new module on the first of every month. And so we will show you exactly what is going to be coming up as well. So not only do you see the modules that are already available to you, you can see what's also coming up next. So that way you understand the value that you're getting with your membership. I hope this helps and you enjoy all of the content and you're able to use it all right away.